Now let's go back to the settings page. Now I want to create two buttons. So we'll create a button that can reset these settings to the default settings and a second button which can exit the app. So to do this, let's wrap the column in a stack. And to do that, I'm actually going to wrap that first in another column just for formatting purposes and then change that to a stack. So now I can create another column. And the reason for that is we can set the second column to have an alignment at the bottom of the screen. And in the second column, let's use a list tile. So we don't need a switch button this time. And we have a title, so let's put in the title. Okay, so it's reset settings, so there it's overlapping. So let's change the alignment. Main axis alignment dot end. Cool, and now that's at the bottom of the screen, so exactly what we want. Let's add an icon, so use the leading property, icon, icons dot refresh. All right, cool. And also we need this button to actually do something. So on tap, and here a function will run. So we want to call the reset method we already created in the settings notifier class. So we'll wrap this in a consumer. Okay. So now we can use the notify variable we've created and access reset settings. So if we look at settings notifier, this is this method here, reset settings. Okay, let's test that. So we'll change these. And cool, it's gone back to the default settings. Okay, awesome. Now let's create a button to exit the app. Now again, rather than copying this code, I'm going to refactor it out. Probably not absolutely crucial here, but just a good practice. So if we want to add another button, that's really easy to do. So we'll extract a Flutter widget and we'll name this settings tile. So we need to pass in 3 parameters, the icon, a string for the text, and a function that will be called. Okay, so let's update this. So the icon, the text, okay, so we've got those 3, and make sure they are required up here. And let's put this in its own file. And import where we need to. Okay, so just the material. Now jumping back, import the library. Now pass in the argument, so the title, reset, the icon, and the callback. So here we can just write the callback again, notifier, reset settings. Now we can create the second button. So we'll name this exit app. The icon, we'll change that to exit to app. And now we need to actually write the code to exit the app. So to exit the app, we can use system channels .platform and .invoke method. And in here, we'll pass system navigator.pop. Okay. Cool, so we've got these 2 buttons at the bottom. So let's test them out. Reset. And cool, we exited the app there.